checklist or something. It looks like you're doing the tutorial off of driver 1. Doing the checklist off of driver 1.
Man, that is way more powerful than I expected.
6.5 horses, dude. It's how I felt when I took it out for a spin for the first time. I was like, whoa!
Absolutely incredible.
You almost hit that pole coming over here, dude.
No, it's a lot harder to control than I expected. I just thought you were doing it, and you make it look like a piece of cake.
Yeah, because I'm experienced. I do my research, dude. You're inexperienced. You're learning.
So that whole segment was filmed probably about a couple weeks ago, back when I was still in college, and I'm happy to report that I finished through finals week. I'm out for the summer, looking for work, and well, wanted to come out here and figure out what the heck was wrong with the trike afterwards, because it broke. So there, in that segment, I cut out a little portion of a clip where, as I was flying by with the trike at 30 miles an hour, a bolt with clunk shot out of the flywheel side, and well, wasn't sure. I ignored it for the hour I was out there, and it was doing okay. But then when I went out to go get some more still shots for the segment, or just from photos, just to have for memories, apparently it didn't want to really start. Like, electricity was fine, but all you can hear is this, which is not good. So I called it from there. Pull started was fine, but then after I shut it off, it was a little bit violent there. I didn't trust it, so I parked it since. So now it is currently May 5th as of me recording this and possibly publishing it here in the near future. And I'm going to go ahead and take the engine off the trike, put it on the workbench here, figure out what's going on, and well, we'll just go from there. Let's take a look. Oh, that's not good. Holy shoot. Upon further inspection, and after taking off the flywheel, which actually I got better at that, so I'm proud of that. I was thinking that it was going to be one of the charging coil bolts, but the solenoid bolt got chucked. I don't understand why, because this guy's on here still nice and taut. Perhaps it was due to the error that I did not use like a Loctite to keep the threads from knocking back out. And now this solenoid is cracked. Wow. That is really unfortunate that this has happened. So it probably means I'm gonna have to get a new starter solenoid. I don't want to risk trying to repair this this cast iron crack without having any clearance issues from the flywheel. So just to play it safe, I'm gonna have to order a new starter in the future. This is unfortunate. I don't know really. I'm glad I found this earlier. I'm glad it was actually this, and I'm actually glad also that the engine block is still intact, I guess, because if something else with the cracks, say on the engine case, obviously it would have been leaking oil. We've called it there, but then the engine would have been dead. So yeah, wow. Well, so yeah, that's really unfortunate that I had to came down to this. I guess one lesson we can all learn is, despite how rare the engines or the electric start kit is for this engine, um, it would be probably best advised to, one, use Loctite, but two, inspect your parts before you use them. Of course, granted these are most likely for the Honda GX 290s and the Honda GX 300s. That's where these kits are coming from, essentially, or what the spoof is. It wouldn't hurt to double check the integrity of the parts. Um, I'm not sure whether to believe this is my fault or this is a part fault. I don't know actual details. All I know is just from the clips that you've seen of what happened. It could have been that the engine vibrated so violently that it started to loosen the threads. Plunk goes the bolt, and well, the rest was history. So anyway, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and take care of this off camera. It's not really video worthy to replace the starter. It's pretty straightforward. 2 bolts, and you can probably use the same ones. Use Loctite, and yeah. Anyway, so if you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. Leave a like, thumbs up for the good portion of this part until it went down south. And yeah, I don't know what else to say right now, so I'll see you guys around.